Okay, so right now I actually want to dye my hair, but my cat has been sick and we just we gave her medicine for her to poop because she hasn't been pooping. She's been straining a lot, and I'm kind of scared that this is gonna be kind of the end because she is old. Hopefully it's not. We just need to do more testing for her, but going to the vet is very expensive. They wanted almost 2.3K at the emergency vet, just to do exams and stuff. But I think we're just gonna take her to a regular vet sometime soon to see how she is. Anyways, but I am going to try to dye my hair today. Maybe we'll see how it goes, because right now she's having like a little poop session, and it's not regular poop, it's diarrhea, and she can't wipe her butt, and she's kind of shitting everywhere, so I have to pay attention to her. Okay, so I didn't get to dye my hair last night because I was very exhausted from work. But this is the haul. This is what I got. I got the Adore 150 Platinum and then Adore 155 Titanium. And I forgot which one it is. The Platinum is more blue tinted because I want it to be a little bit more blue tint. And yeah, I cannot have this cat. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, I got the 107 Mocha because I want to do kind of like a dark brown stripes with the silver. And then I got some stuffed hair clips because I lost all mine. I don't know what happened. And I got a new dye brush. Then I also been using AphroG, APHOG, I don't know. Yeah, this is a 2-step protein treatment. I already have the conditioner and the shampoo and everything, so I'm gonna use that. I've only used this about 2-3 times, and every time after I've used it actually makes my hair pretty good. It makes it curl again, which is kind of crazy. So I'm gonna keep using it. You're supposed to do it like once a month, but I'm gonna try to do like every 3 weeks, I think, because my hair is really damaged and I think it needs protein treatment, mask, hair stuff. Yeah, I'm just doing it myself because I can, and the recession fucking sucks. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is mix the color and see how that turns out. So I have the Platinum and the Titanium. I'm gonna add a little bit more Platinum, but I'm also thinking of mixing it with conditioner. Honestly, I don't really know, because I don't want it to be too silver. I mean, I don't mind if it's like very silver, kind of like grandma vibes. We'll see. I'm gonna test it out, put some on a paper towel and see how the color looks. Maybe add a little bit of conditioner, not too much, just to dilute it a little bit. Or what I could do is not add on for too long on my hair. So I think first I'm going to separate my hair into pieces so it can be easier for me to dye, and the 2 front pieces that I want to be brown. So that's the plan. just finished putting the dye on my hair. Kind of scared. I feel like I'm gonna look like a grandma once I rinse this off, but after this I'm gonna shampoo, do a protein treatment on my hair, see how it turns out. Probably gonna leave it for another 10 minutes, not too long, because it's already been like maybe 20-30 minutes of me just even applying the dye. I don't want it to be too purple. I mean, I don't mind if it comes out with a blue, nice purple tone, so maybe another 15 minutes and we'll see how everything turns out. Okay, so I actually forgot to record myself when I finished with my hair, and right now this is how the color looks after 3 washes, because it was way too purple for me. It actually looked nice. Maybe I'll insert a picture of the back, but if you see that like purple color right there in the beginning of my roots, that was like the main color, and then the rest is a little bit more like, I don't know what to even call this color, like an ashy, I don't even know, because there's different blondes. There was different blondes. It wasn't really blonde, it was more like a brown there. Like a very light beige blonde. So it just kind of looks weird, and now the brown is fading a lot. I'm honestly just trying to fade it out. But I like the silver platinum color. I just want it to be less blue, or like less gray. I guess it's too gray for me, so I still want to have that blonde. So I think after I fade this color out, I will tone it and also bleach my roots. So probably like next month I'll redo my whole hair myself, of course, because I'm not going to the salon and paying $700. Girl, you crazy. I don't know, I don't trust anyone with my hair, and if I have the money for it, then I'll just go back to that place I went to color correct. But for anything else, I don't know. But yeah, that's basically my hair. Let me try to show the back. I don't know if you could see. The back is nice. The back is definitely nice. I don't know why the front came out. I mean, I know why. The brown and then the little bits that I have is, yeah.